Hi folks, this is Lee Murphy, artbyleemurphy.com, and yay! I've finally got some friends to help me put this roof on here. This is the roof of the camper. Let me go back a little bit here. I'm just so excited that this little medallion works here, and that's my cheapy little marketplace lantern that's doing pretty well here. My little function stacking little centerpiece medallion, because I can do this if I'm not hooked up to electricity. That's why I chose to do this. And so here's my yucky floor again. We have a solar powered lamp. That one looks pretty cool. It doesn't generate heat. Right there. It's more like a night light. This is going to hang over the bed dinette area. And then I have, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Where's the little button here? There. And pardon while I'm fumble with this off camera. But ta-da! If I need more light, right here, get it to where it'll, there we go. So here we go, right there. I also have a little battery powered USB rechargeable fan. They won't really go in the same place at the same time, but hey, it's just something I'm going to have to keep working on. So it's so nice to see this next level unlocked. We'll step out and have a look at this is what the camper looks like up here. Well, it's hard to tell, but completely redone roof. Needs a little bit more painting, but I have to fix the floor first. That's the happy afterward. Here's what happened. What does it look like before? But it's even stranger because this is under from what was underneath all the even worse looking yuck, and now this stuff looks like, ugh, I gotta handle this next before it handles me. Looks like a granola bar from hell, and it's too dangerous to keep working on the rest of the camper until I get this pulled out and replaced, because I use these mats and it's still not enough to keep from falling through. So until I have to send myself to the hospital, I'd rather not. It'll be cheaper to fix this now. So I'm going to take this down. I like this one better. Right here, just like that. My little cheapy marketplace lantern. Nice little ambiance here to go completely off grid, but doing it with style. So anyhow, this is the progress so far. It's like I unlocked a level of a video game. The roof is done, the doors are finished, and now on to the rest of the chassis. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope that was inspiring or helpful. Thanks.